long and hard about this aeroplane earlier. It's captained by the Falklands veteran, Martin Withers, DFC. Its co-pilot is Bill Perrins. We've got two air electronic operators on board today, Phil Davis, and AEO on the training, Jonathan Lazari. You don't need music, and you don't need me for the next couple of minutes. You need the Vulcan feeling.
Don't be in the Welsh flag here.
Ladies and gentlemen, today's performance by the Vulcan is in memory of Andy Gould. Look around you, stops people in their tracks, and we all know why. That's a good view of the capacious bomb bay. It's capable of taking 22,000-pounder bombs, or of course weapons of a more destructive nature. But you'll be glad to know they don't carry any of those anymore. If it isn't obvious, the Vulcan is a jet strategic bomber that thinks it's a fighter. He's waving at you, please wave back.
That's one now, you see why there aren't any left? They don't move so fast. Oh, there's bubbles over.
Gear down. He's going to do a Jonathan into a slow run. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the Vulcan's final lap, because I think at the end of this he's going to find the throttle big time. Ladies and gentlemen, the Vulcan to the sky, Vulcan XH558. Delta Lady. Absolutely awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, that brings to an end our display here. We have another one for you tomorrow. To everybody that's put this show together, Sean Davis and all of their team, and too many